Okay, I've pretty much cleared that up. Maybe I should swap back to Naue. Yeah, heaps of dragons, but this one I believe might be... Oh, okay. For being the longest. Alright, let's scale some stuff. Okay, I've cleared all that up. Alright, let's go here. And I'll swim across. Try and find this douchebag that keeps getting into trouble. Though I'm trying to start a romantic quest line with... Get out of the fucking tree. I've already glitched into a barrel today. Don't want to get stuck in trees. Alright, let's swim over. Ooh. We have a link. Oh, wow. That's such a pretty dragon. That is